Inkson presents Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves.
We are almost there. A couple more, and the tree will be coming down. This time the tree is big enough. After selling all the wood, I'll be able to help Mom to buy some food. Right, Polar? Yes. We'll also buy a couple of carrots as well. And also warm bread. I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. Look out, Polar! That was awesome! Okay, let's keep working. Did you see my axe by any chance, Polar? Found it! Do you hear that? Sounds like a lot of horses. It can't be good. Come on, Polar, hide behind this bush. Don't move or make any noise. I'll climb up in the tree and see if I can find anything.
Ali Baba climbed the tree. He didn't know who they were yet, but he knew it was better to stay away from trouble. Unfortunately for Ali Baba, the men on horses stopped right by the tree he had climbed.
I've seen a few of these people before. Mom always said to get as far from them as possible. Robbers! That's what they are.
Take all the bags and come with me.
There's nowhere to go. What does he mean?
Keep your distance. Open sesame. What was that?
It was the rocks cracking as they opened.
Oh no! Be quiet, Ali Baba.
No, it's something else. It doesn't matter. Come on, quick.
Oh, that was close.
3, 4, 5, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Everyone's in.
40 robbers. Oh no, not again.
The door shut by itself. They stayed some time inside, and Ali Baba, fearing they might come out and catch him, was forced to sit patiently in the tree. At last the door opened again, and the 40 thieves came out. The captain came out first and made all pass by him before he closed the door by saying,
Shut sesame.
Yeah, this is becoming normal.
The 40 thieves left, and Ali Baba got down the tree. Curious because of the things he had just seen, he walked towards the huge rock covering the entry to the cave and said,
Open sesame! Wow! It works! It works! Polar, it works! Let's see what they're hiding in here. Hello! Hello! Who is that? Who is that? This is Ali Baba! This is Ali Baba! Whatever they are hiding, I just found it. Wow! A treasure! I'm rich! I'm rich! Now let's see how I can get these out of here.
He did not look at the silver, but brought out as many bags of gold as he thought his donkeys, which were browsing outside, could carry, loaded them with the bags, and hit it all with sticks. Using the words, "Shut sesame," he closed the door and went home. When he got home, he told his mother everything that had happened. She then asked him,
So you are sure there were 40 robbers?
100%. Their leader counted them as they walked into the cave.
And the cave is full of all kinds of riches?
Yes. Gold, silver, diamonds, anything you could think of.
Where do you think all these gold, silver, diamonds, and more come from?
I told you, Mom, the robbers brought it all in.
And where do you think they got it from?
Oh, I see. They took it from other people.
Exactly. What do you think you should do with the treasure you've found?
Give it back to the people the robbers took it from.
The next day, Ali Baba walked around the market in his town. And every time Ali Baba caught a robber stealing from someone, he would go and give back double. He gave 5 coins of gold to the baker whose bread had been stolen.
Tasty bread. This is worth a month's work.
You keep it. Just don't tell anybody.
He also gave some coins to the woman owner of a store where olive oil had been stolen from.
Green olives! This could buy 100 containers full of the finest oil.
Ali Baba helped a lot more people that day, victims of the 40 robbers. After the market closed, Ali Baba went home. To his surprise, the people had brought all kinds of precious things in gratitude for what he had done. And so, without stealing, Ali Baba became the richest in his city, both in goods and love from the people. The robbers and their leader, though, weren't as happy.
Inkstone.